I'm turning $0 to $171,000 just from trading. And to make this extremely difficult, my weekly budget cannot exceed what's in my trading account. Which means if I make no money today, I'm literally gonna have to sleep under a bridge. But before we open our first trade, we're gonna do this. We're gonna be using my girlfriend's credit card to fund my live trading account.
Are you using my card? No, you're not.
So now we're gonna sign into the broker and go ahead and deposit into our live account. Here we are, log in.
Give me my card.
We're gonna use credit card. We're gonna go ahead and get ourselves a 250% deposit bonus, $100 deposit, and deposit into trading account. Now I just gotta put in her info. Thank you so much, Jillian. All right, now the payment's successful, we're gonna go and actually open our first trade. Price is currently down here, and I need this to push all the way up for us to make some money in this trade. So I'm gonna hop in right here, and I'll see y'all in the morning. It's 4:54 a.m. It's been a couple of hours since that last update, but guys, this trade is ripping up. It's up $971, and our $100 deposit is now over $1,000. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure that position right there. Now, because of this success, we get to drive the Maybach today. Which makes you wonder, what was I gonna have to drive if we didn't win this trade? Well, let's just say it might be the most embarrassing thing that I own. It's 5:17 a.m. and I'm not even gonna lie, I think I found another setup already. You guys see how last time we came all the way here and then pushed new lows. Came back up, pushed new lows. Well, now we're back in that area and I'm expecting us to push new lows again. If that happens, we'll make some money. Thing is, at 5:30, we do have something called high impact news, which means the markets are gonna move very quickly in a very short span. Now, you're technically not supposed to trade them, but being the degenerate I am, of course we're gonna do it.
Come 300 up like a Spartan, Balenciaga in tartan. The waiter begging my pardon, I'm in Paris, Le Manger. Remember back home I was starving. I'm bad at math, I just charted. Kind of the ox rest in their casket. I'm way more than an artist. I'm a buster packer than half it. I'm a baller, I just kick with her, then I flip her up and then pass it. I'm a sick fuck, can't mask it. More champagne, yeah, thank you for asking. I just take drugs till I'm retired.
That shit dead ass did not move for shit. Come on, man. Too easy.
First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please
Yo, what's the
remind
trade
me?
at?
1,300 pretty much.
Oh, so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit phase. And as we go, over 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy.
Crazy lift, but we're up almost 1,500 right now, guys. I'm not even gonna get greedy. We just went from $100 to $2,500 in like 10 hours, bro. I started this at like 9 p.m. It's 6:30 a.m. right now. Come on. Who does it like Ali trades, guys? Come on. This shit is too easy, bro. This is gonna be probably the fastest flip in the space. That's honestly my prediction. And weekend's coming up. I'm ready to have a baller weekend. The trading account's been looking really good. Shout out to my girlfriend Jillian for funding the whole thing with her credit card. We ended up making another $1,600 on top of those first two trades, bringing us to a total profit of over $4,000. And with Valentine's Day coming up, what better way than to spend it on my girl?
Oh girl, you're shining. You know you're my diamond. You need reminding.
When you can really trade, spoil your girl.
Soul needs aligning. It's me you confiding. Seeking and hiding. You know where to find me, babe.
What's it gonna be? What we gonna do? Here we go again. This ain't nothing new. I ain't tryna run game, but it's true, cause you call me for help, you gotta chill. Need time for yourself, you gotta heal. This ain't something you felt, it's how you feel. We built this all wrong, I'll take blame, but instead of us tearing it down, we'll rearrange, baby. Don't let it fall, girl. Don't let it fall.
Don't wanna fight no more. Keep me where I belong. I've tried and I've tried, but I just can't hide from your love.
Oh girl, you're shining. You know you're my diamond. You need reminding. This moment of timing. Soul needs aligning. It's me you confiding. Seeking and hiding. Nowhere to find me, babe.
Oh, man. See? fucking shit every time, bro. Fucking put no stop loss again, bro. I do this shit every fucking time, bro.
What happened? You like lose all your money or what?
Bro, we just fucking did all the shopping. I blew the whole thing. I didn't fucking take shit out. We gotta return it.
Everything?
We gotta return everything.
Oh my god.
Fuck. I just want to return these. Ali? Wanted those shoes so bad, bro. This fucking sucks. Yeah, so it was a John and Vinny's for $637 on Valentine's Day. And then there was an El Pastel charge the night before. No, it wasn't me. My wallet got stolen, so I don't have my cards. Shit fucking sucks, bro. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Sometimes I get a little bit cocky. And that cockiness makes me make some really dumb decisions. And that's kind of why I'm here in the first place. Recently, I put 120K into an account. I grew it all the way to 170K, but because I got a little too cocky and didn't want to admit I was wrong, I blew the whole thing. And that leaves me with no option but to have to make all that money back. And not to mention, Alex G also challenged me to do this.
Dude, you should take on the challenge, bro. It's not a bad idea.
But because I just took 100 to 4K and then blew it, now I have to get in this as my punishment. You guys want to help out?